And we're live. Hello, so welcome back everyone. Welcome back to the game again. We've been doing some little fixes on some stuff here, so I thought I'd just go over it live. This is going to be very loud in the background, so you'll have to deal with the sounds as everything spawns in here. Okay, so I've been working on a couple of things for fixes. We got, I don't know whether I covered it the last time, but we got the flashlight, which now fades out with the E key there when you're far enough away from it. That I actually like, because it means you can just pick apart various little things that are really important to the player and then have them highlighted. That's something that I got off Resident Evil. So that's going to be cool for using on various different things. I'm not sure whether I should use it on everything, but definitely key gameplay mechanics like the flashlight there. Then of course we've got the recent edition of the UV light, which I think I showed off last time, where you can throw this around to find hidden messages inside the levels. I think I showed that off just because of the idea of finding secret messages in the levels. And then of course we've got two new features here. One is for keypad doors and one is for lockpick doors. So if we try and pick up the lockpicks here, we can't pick them up. For some strange reason, I'm having problems with my inputs. So I'm going to have to try and figure out what's giving me problems here. It seems like I have to come to this door first and open it. It might be just a clash of inputs, because trying to find keys is to map everything to is a bit of a pain in the butt. But what we can do is here we can punch the pin code in. And sure enough, when we go to the door now, if we press E, the door will open. So that's an idea that I'm going to be using for other bits in future. For getting into certain areas, you'll need the key code to get into them. If you don't have the key code, you can't get in. Simple as. That's one neat way of being a pain to the player. And then the next one is if you pick up the lockpicks here, we've got another one for doors, which is very similar to Fallout. In fact, I would say it's based on Fallout's thing, where we've got this whole deal of opening a door with a lockpick system, and if you mess it up, then the lockpick breaks, and you have so many. It's awkward. It's supposed to be a beginner one, but I find myself really messing it up. Well, imagine trying to do this while the AI is chasing you. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. I'm just trying to, because I can't open this until I get in there, so there we go. And now we can get in. So those are the new things that I've been messing around with recently, is just trying to fix people's code and also work on implementing these things. Like I said, I still have problems with the key cards over here and the pickups for the lockpicks, purely because they're all mapped to the E key, but apparently you can't do that. So what I might have to do is map them to other various keys and see what happens. And then of course we've got the usual of grabbing objects and throwing them around and interacting with each other. The idea is to implement that in such a way that the player will get screwed over by the AI. And then of course we still have the AI walking around here and doing its usual thing. I don't know whether I had the middle mouse mapped to zoom in, but clearly I do. So, did I throw anything over there before? No, I didn't. Okay, so, yeah, that's what I've got at the moment, is just another way of screwing with the player. Because, like, if I go to main menu here and then go play, if I try messing around with the player by initiating the lockpick and have the AI behind me, that's going to be a bit of a problem. It looks like I need to do this first, so punch it in. I think I'll open this door now. And once that's open, for some strange reason, we can then pick up the lockpicks, which I'm not sure what's going on there with that. We can't even interact with the door until we've done that one. I don't know what's going on there. But let's try and see if the AI will react to this. I'm like struggling with the door. The AI is setting stuff off and we're busy trying to unlock stuff. We don't know where he is. He's setting off the alarms left, right and centre. Because he can come in the office if he wants at the same time. We've got to unlock that door and hopefully not get caught by him. The same goes for the keypad door. So it's going to be interesting seeing what happens to players while they're busy trying to unlock doors and navigate different puzzles and things. And then of course we've got the old trusty flashlight over here. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. It's still a work in progress. I can't wait to get stuff working in the actual level that has the AI walking around properly in it. Sort of finish the blocking out of the first area and then try and get that set up as like a small demo level. And we'll see how things go. Either way, that's been another stream showing off stuff. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time.